I am pleased to introduce to you the situation regarding the Space Capsule Hotel product-related campsite project. Space Capsule Hotel's camp projects are suitable for a variety of scenarios, including but not limited to outdoor adventure camps, music festivals, sports events, and tourist attractions. The core product of Space Capsule Hotel is a cabin-style accommodation unit, with each cabin designed to be compact and exquisite, typically able to accommodate one or few passengers. We focus on the environmental performance of our products, and the spacecraft uses energy-saving materials and equipment to effectively reduce energy consumption. In multiple camping projects both domestically and internationally, our spacecraft accommodation unit has won unanimous praise from travelers for its unique design and high-quality service. That's our introduction to the Space Capsule Hotel product-related camp project. If you are interested or have any questions, please feel free to contact us.